Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use ZenHub. ZenHub brings essential project management features directly into your GitHub account, creating a seamless workflow for development teams. It helps you visualize your work, track progress, and collaborate effectively without ever leaving your familiar environment. You can manage sprints, roadmaps, and more, all within one unified platform, making project oversight much simpler. Setting up your workspaces is the first key step to organizing your projects in ZenHub. Simply go to your ZenHub dashboard, select New Workspace, and give it a descriptive name. Then, you can easily connect your desired GitHub repositories to this workspace, bringing all relevant codebases under one centralized project board. This creates a unified view for your team, fostering clearer communication and streamlined task management. Pipelines are the core of your ZenHub board, visualizing your workflow stages from start to finish. Issues, which are essentially enhanced GitHub issues, represent individual tasks or bugs. You can easily drag and drop these issues between pipelines like backlog, in progress, and done to update their status. This visual method provides an instant overview of your project's flow, helping teams quickly identify bottlenecks and manage priorities. Roadmaps in ZenHub help you visualize and plan your major initiatives, providing a clear timeline for your team's strategic goals. You can easily create a new roadmap by adding epics and issues, connecting individual tasks to larger project objectives. Furthermore, ZenHub's reporting features, such as velocity charts, offer valuable insights into your team's throughput. These reports help you make informed decisions and accurately predict project delivery dates, enhancing your overall planning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.